It's over here, huh? It's where all the cool kids are. Come on over. Yeah, come on. Hi.
What are you doing? Hi. Let's say hi to the grandmas. Say hi, grandmas. Oh, yeah? You're not going to do it again, are you?
No, I don't think he is. Come on over, buddy. It's over here. Buddy.
Someone's coming to help.
Okay. I don't think he's gonna roll over again.
You're not going to do it, are you? You missed it, Ma. I did it and you guys weren't paying attention. My coworker Crystal said she and her husband had a rule. If it happened at daycare, it stayed at daycare. So if you did any firsts, it didn't count.
Right.
You're just not going to do it, are you? You're going to be a booger. Oh, maybe. You know you want to. Almost. No. Fine.